Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video I will be showing you the Roman theater, which is located in the eastern part of the Jordanian capital. The theater is a 6,000 seater structure built in the 2nd century when Amman was known as Philadelphia. Many activities or cultural activities still takes place here, so stay tuned and watch the video. Let's go. So we are currently outside the building or the structure. So as I already informed you, the theater is located at Amman, the capital city of Jordan. And according to history, Amman is one of the biggest tourist attractions in Jordan. They have a lot of beautiful places where you can visit. So we are currently outside the structure. MashaAllah. So these are tourists who just arrived to visit the place. MashaAllah, they started taking pictures. So they are also going inside the theater. So let's follow up. MashaAllah. So now we are getting close to the gate. This is the main gate to the theater. This is the main gate. So there are security personnel who are at the gate selling tickets to tourists before they can enter. But if you are an international student, you just need to show your ID card before you can enter. So this is inside the theater. MashaAllah, Tabarak ar-Rahman. It's so beautiful.
كمل فترتها بعد اللقاء بالمشروع.
So I met this old man who was exhibiting his skills. Inshallah, you can enjoy the melody of the trumpet. So now we will be going inside the Jordan Museum of Popular Traditions. This is a museum inside the theater. So let's get inside. حياكم الله.
حياك الله بالمملكة الأردنية الهاشمية.
تشرفنا بكم يا سيد.
حياكم الله. الأردن ترحب بضيوف.
So this is the traditional dress for the Jordanian citizen. This is a traditional dress for males, and these are for females. Inshallah. So all these things are their traditional dress. Like we also have a smoke in Ghana, or not, we have smoke. So this is also their traditional wear. And there are other things As you can see, this guy was a France citizen. I met him there. He said he was from France. Inshallah. There are a lot of staffs inside the museum. As you are enjoying the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share for others to also benefit. Inshallah. So when you visit the place and you don't speak or understand Arabic, there are translators available to guide you, explain to you everything you need to know inside the museum, but you are going to pay them. It is just their work. They also made it their work. They learn languages: French, English, Spanish, Chinese, German language, and other languages. There are people who specialize in this field. So when you come there and you don't understand Arabic, they need to take you around, explain to you everything inside the museum, but you are going to pay. It's not for free, but you can just go around, see everything without asking anyone. But if you want to understand what is inside the museum, you need to pay them for them to explain to you.
السلام عليكم حياكم الله.
From where you?
From Ghana.
أهلا وسهلا.
So what this guy is doing is what they call boat polisher, and this profession is considered as one of the traditional crafts that have great popularity in the Asian Arab society. MashaAllah. So, MashaAllah. Mashayikh. So you can read this one, they call it the potter maker, the pottery maker. And this one is the goldsmith, works on design. Alhamdulillah, I hope you are enjoying the video. So just consider subscribing to the channel and share it to your friends. Like and comment for us to do more videos, inshallah. So thanks for watching the video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.